I have got a camera or I have a camera. Which one is correct? الاتنين معناهم واحد ومعناها ان انت معاك كاميرا، بس الفرق في الستايل نفسه. So I have got or I have, they mean the same thing. معناهم نفس الشيء. More example, she has got a car. She has got a car. يعني هي معاها عربية. فالفرق هنا أنا بستخدم have got مع I, we, you, they, and has got or has مع he, she, it أو الحاجة المفرد. So if I said Ahmed has got or have got a new laptop. Ahmed has got a new laptop. And the short form is Ahmed's got. Ahmed's got a new laptop. Okay. Let's see this one. We have got or we has got maybe a house. We have got a house. We've got a house. The short form of have got is of apostrophe ve. So we have got a house or we've got a house. We've got a house. Okay, now for this picture, what's this? This is a blanket. لو أنا عايزة أقول أنا عندي البلانكت دي أو البطانية دي هقول إيه؟ I have got a blanket or I have a blanket. Okay, what about this? البنت دي اسمها سارة وسارة عندها dog كلب. So Sarah has or have? Sarah has got a dog or Sarah has a dog. Yeah, that's all.